Let's say you're getting married and the two of you plan to share a car. Or you're finishing school and your uncle is going to get you a car as a graduation gift. Whatever the situation may be, you'll need to know how to add a name to a car title. Here's how to do it. A car title establishes the rights of ownership of a vehicle. Adding an additional name to a car title grants equal rights to that person. Note that the process to add a name to a car title varies from state to state, so check with your DMV first for specifics. If you're the car's registered owner, first locate your current title. This is a physical document. If you can't find your current title, contact your DMV and they'll issue you a replacement. If a lien holder owns your vehicle because there's still an outstanding loan on it, you'll need to handle things a little differently, which we'll cover later. Sign your name on the seller line of the title. Don't freak out, you'll still own the car when we're done. You'll just co-own it with the person you're adding to the title. Next, you'll write your name and the name of the person you're adding to the title on the buyer line. Here's where things get a little tricky. Whether you write and or between the two names on the buyer line will matter in some states. Writing and may require both parties to sign off on any matter pertaining to the car's title. Writing or could allow either person to be responsible for matters related to the title. Make sure to ask your DMV which arrangement is right for you. If necessary, inform your lien holder of your intent to add a name to the title. If you're still making loan payments and don't have possession of the title, the process of adding another name is a little different. Tell your lien holder, the bank, credit union, or whoever issued you the loan that you'll want to add another name to the title. The lien holder will apply for this change and provide you a letter along with your car's vehicle identification number or VIN. You'll need this documentation for the next step. Head to your DMV website or local branch to obtain a transfer of title form. Fill out the form with your information and the person being added to the title and submit it back to the DMV. Then pay the required fee. The amount you'll have to pay differs between states, but it's usually really reasonable, around $20. Your new title should arrive within a few weeks. You'll need to update your car's registration. Again, every state has different rules around registering vehicles, so make sure to check with your state's DMV. Lastly, let your car insurance company know about the person you've added to the title. They will probably want a copy of your title to keep for their records. For more information about car titles, insurance, and more, hit the subscribe button or go to getjerry.com.